Shamika, what do you think about today's program and this venue?
I was like really excited to come to a program like this because see, especially on the new age marketing, AI is taking over. I may be a old school thinker, but it really opened my mind. The facilitator actually is very engaging, gave us a lot of examples, use cases, and also got us practically to do stuff. So I'm going back to my workplace with a lot of ideas, inspired, and the team who came with me also is like really energized about it.
That's awesome. So what do you think about the venue?
Oh, fantastic. I've always admired man, wanted to really personally come in, but today was the first time that I visited. It's an inspiring space. You have a lot of facilities for breakout sessions, conferences. You have a fantastic cafe out there, a brilliant space for any marketer who wants to get inspired or for your education purpose as well.
Guys, if you all had to explain about the program today, what would you like to say about it?
So it was very insightful. We learned a lot of new things, and there were a lot of case studies from all across the world. And so it was very insightful, and actually there's a lot of things that you can do with AI when it comes to marketing. Yeah, so it was very nice.
And what do you think about the space here?
The space is amazing. I think it's like the name goes Miami at School. It's very chill, and really enjoyed the session. Got to network with a lot of other people as well.
If you had to describe today's training program in one word, what would you say?
Inspiring.
Sven, what do you think about today's program?
It was very impactful. I learned a lot of things in terms of AI, how I can use it in business, plus important strategies, and how I can help famous hospitals improve in terms of marketing content and all that. So it was very informative and very learning, and it's something that I would recommend to anyone looking to start.
If you had to introduce the program in one word, how would you say?
Innovative. It's a breath of fresh air in this fast-paced world where everything is changing. It's always best to keep learning every day as we go along.
Ryan, what do you think about today's program?
I absolutely loved it. It was certainly an eye-opener. There was a lot to learn. There was a lot for us to take in. And today being a Thursday, I know how my weekend's going to go. I'll be going through every single tool that we just learned about. And I'm hoping that everything will go well with us. So thank you so much for the opportunity.
So today's session was very good, very insightful. I think what's mostly important is he showed the tool and we discovered a bunch of tools that were very relevant, and just the workflow is really good and the practical workflows and giving scenarios and having different teams work on like different problem statements. Just showed different user cases for how these tools can be used. So now it's for us to take it and see how we can fit it into our strategy, and that's what we're going to do very well.
So what do you think about the program?
That's good because when it comes from a person like Vedant, he has a lot of knowledge, he has been in this industry for a long time, and his practical knowledge is coming as a knowledge sharing. That is the best part of it.
Shamik, what are your takeaways from today's program?
So today, to be honest, the key takeaway is that we have been knowing these bits and pieces in scattered way, but today it made us more sense, and it gave us how to basically connect these tools that you have and then use it in a more effective way. So I think it makes more sense now on these tools and how it mostly makes your life easy.
Can you explain about your experience today with the program AI for Marketing?
Yes, I genuinely enjoyed it. I personally, as someone in product marketing, I'm trying to understand how I can automate my work while still maximizing the performance and the results that we get. And I really appreciated how concise today's session was and how we had to actually put in the work with the group projects that we got. And he was able to cover a lot of information without overloading us within the span of a day. So that was really beneficial, and we have things to go home and work on. We didn't feel like exhausted at the end of the day with too much of information, with just the right amount. And I would highly recommend any corporate or any professional who's interested in these areas to definitely participate in this program.